Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to make potato salad in Islands Roblox. First, you'll need to gather your ingredients. Head to your farm and collect 5 potatoes, 3 onions, and 2 eggs. These are essential for a delicious potato salad. Make sure you have a cooking pot and a campfire ready. Having everything prepared beforehand makes the process much smoother and quicker. Let's get cooking. Now that you have your ingredients, it's time for preparation. Carefully chop all 5 potatoes and 3 onions into small, manageable pieces. Precision helps with cooking evenly. Next, place your 2 eggs into the cooking pot and boil them over the campfire until they are hard-boiled. Once cooled, peel the eggs and chop them into small cubes. These steps are crucial for the texture of your potato salad. With your ingredients prepped, let's start cooking the main dish. Put the chopped potatoes and onions into your cooking pot. Add about 1 cup of water to help them cook thoroughly. Cook these over the campfire until the potatoes are soft and easily mashed. Once cooked, carefully remove them from the heat. Now, gently combine the cooked vegetables with your chopped hard-boiled eggs in the pot. We're almost there. To finish your potato salad, it's time for seasoning. Add 1 tablespoon of salt and about 1/2 tablespoon of pepper to the mixture. Feel free to adjust these amounts to your taste preferences. Gently mix all the ingredients together until everything is well combined and evenly distributed. And there you have it. Your homemade potato salad in Islands Roblox is complete and ready to be enjoyed. Happy farming and cooking!
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.